Now student, we will discuss about the next topic, which is what is clean room. As you know that the main purpose of HVAC in pharmaceutical industry is that they can control temperature, control relative humidity, and control the contamination. Contamination means the airborne particles and all these. So a clean room is defined as a room in which the concentration of airborne particle is controlled. So in pharmaceutical firm we have different powders, like we can also manufacture different medicines. So these medicines are very important for human health. So we can control the airborne particle. For controlling the airborne particle, we can we can supply clean air, we can control the relative humidity, we can control the temperature, and with the help of that we can maintain the cleanliness of room. So the clean room classification are established by measurement of the number of particles zero point 0.5 micron and larger than that are contained in 1 foot cube of sampled air. So how we can measure the clean room or clean room? So we can measure that we can uh, select the air of one cubic meter air as a sampled air, and we can measure the number of particles which are zero point 0.5 micron, whose size is 0.5 micron. So we can measure these particles, and from them we can classify the cleanliness of the room. So class 100 to 1000 rooms are used in pharmaceutical industry. So we can according to the number of particles present in the room, we can classify the rooms into different classes. Like let's suppose we use different class uh, different classroom for different purposes. Like we use when the most critical areas, like where we can create some very important cancer patient medicines, etc. So we can give them a class like class 100, class 1000, class 10,000. So these are different classes. So the main purpose of clean room is that they can control the concentration of airborne particles, and we can create different medicines.